Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, where we make tech simple and fun. If math problems are stressing you out, don't worry. Got something that can totally change the game. Today, I'm going to show you how to use an amazing free app called PhotoMath. This app helps you solve math problems instantly, just by taking a picture, whether it is algebra, calculus, or something in between. This app is perfect for students, parents, and anyone who needs quick answers and clear explanations. Let's dive right in. To get started, head to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for PhotoMath. Download and install the app. It is completely free. Once it is installed, go ahead and open the app. It will automatically activate your camera so you can scan math problems straight from your notebook, textbooks, or printed worksheet. You can also scan math problems from a save file through your gallery. Make sure the full equation fits inside the frame by adjusting the camera window as needed. Once everything is in view, PhotoMath will process the equation and instantly give you the answer. But that is not all. What makes this app so helpful is that it also shows you multiple ways to solve the problem. Whether it is through graphing, applying the quadratic formula, rewriting equation, or breaking it down step by step, you will actually learn how the solution works. The app even includes animated tutorials and detailed explanations with an AI voice reader to help you understand each step. You can also share the solution with classmates or friends right from the app. You can also use the built-in calculator to just type the problem straight in. PhotoMath works with both handwritten and printed equations, even from websites and textbooks. And if you want even more features, like extra hints, ad-free studying, and in-depth tutorials, you can try PhotoMath Plus with a 7-day free trial. After that, you can choose between a monthly or annual subscription if you find it helpful. Whether you are prepping for a test or doing your homework, PhotoMath is a smart and easy way to improve your math skills and boost your confidence. And that's it. Now you get a powerful tool to help you solve and understand math problems. No more late-night stress or confusing equations. If this helped you out, give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more wireless solutions. Got questions or want to explore another study app? Drop a comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.